Okay, graded a couple of these board games and just wanted to comment on some of them. This one is on the LA Times bombing board game. I like how there's not that much text. It's kind of straightforward. You're kind of moving through, the event as far as, what happened. Ironworker attacks are increasingly being brought up near Western Coast. That's pretty much it. I mean, it has nice visuals. I like the historic photograph here. Let's see. This one is on Lindbergh, and anything about this topic, it's about weight. And so all you're doing here is just kind of, adding and reducing weight to kind of make it from point A to point B, where you complete the first transatlantic flight. So again, it's straightforward. It's taking you through the progression of the historical topic. Nice job. Here's another one on Lindbergh along the same theme. But this one is looking at like your mileage and, kind of, I guess how far you're going, deducting here and so on. It's a pretty good sample. This one is a odd topic, prohibition in racing. I think there's only one. So we start off with, the Prohibition Amendment, the banning of alcohol, and then the motor industry, as I mentioned here, where they're starting to compete with regard to engine speed, and just kind of taking you through the progression. They end up here with the depression point, which is an interesting ending for this. They could have ended with the creation of NASCAR, but here's some pretty good samples overall.